I'm about to get another demo. It's a little different. Okay. So what's your name and what else in here real quick?
Alright, so my name is Jacob.
Yep.
Hey, Bubba. Alright, so my name is Jacob.
Jacob.
Jacob
Okay.
and Jacob.
Okay.
And then I got two ZVX Scar 15s.
Yep.
I got 6 Crescendo PWX 10s on Taramps HD3K. The 2 subs are on a Taramps Base 8K.
Okay.
And then I got 2 horns, Kenwood head unit, Brand X alternator, 300 amp alternator.
Okay.
2 Group 31s in the back, and then just this Group 34 in the front.
Got it. I like the furnace style you got going on here.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
And you probably can hear your music well with those 10s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're all right. They're more mid-bass.
More mid-bass, yeah.
I want to get the UNs, but they're so expensive.
Yeah, UNs. I heard a few builds with those are pretty nice.
Yeah. Let's see.
All right, demo time with Jacob. Have you metered it?
Yes, I have. The highest I've gotten is a 148.8.
0.8. Okay. Where's your port?
They're actually down on the sides.
Is there a way I can see it?
Yeah, if you open the door.
Yeah. I'm just really curious, so that was the only thing I couldn't figure out.
Yeah. Yeah, they're down there.
Ah! Oh, okay. You got one on each side.
Yeah, one on each side.
That's different. Got it. Thanks, Jacob. Nice to meet you.
Thank you very much.
Yep.
So I'm dropping low in the volts, so I gotta get some more batteries.
Yes, sir. job, man.
Thank you.
And you said 48.
48, yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully, if I can stay in upper 13s, I'll be at a 50.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
So.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.